Ini ang dari kesana.
Iya, remaja bule.
Teenagers ganteng-ganteng ini ya kan?
Beda banget.
Ya, siapa ini?
Oh my God. Wow. Aku emang udah overwhelmed banget. Udah kangen dan emang it's really nice to see everyone in this moment a really long time, and I'm just super grateful to Danur karena emang that was where I started to live, and that did send me off into a really great path. And I'm really grateful for that too. And I don't really have much to say. That's all I have to say. Thank you everyone who's already come, and have a great day. Thank you.
Danur 2.
Ivana's character.
Hello everyone, good evening. I was also not preparing myself with the speech, but I just wanted to say that I'm very, very grateful first of all to our amazing director Aoi, because he was the one directing me, and I was really grateful to be able to get this role. Angel as well, I'm really grateful. You have been there always with me, so thank you so much, because you were from the beginning. You were already very well known at the time, and you were just so beautifully kind to me from the beginning, helping me with everything that there was to make me feel comfortable. So I'm forever grateful for you as well. For you too, definitely. You know so much. He was this small, okay? I don't know if you remember, but yeah, exactly smaller. I have a picture we can kind of here, you know? And it's crazy that you become a man, and I'm so grateful to see that you're doing well, and I'm proud of you very much. So keep going. And I just want to say thank you so much for all the MD family, to Pamanoj, to Sanjay, our casting director, and to every and each person that was supporting us. I'm very grateful to meet everyone on the way, and it was simply one of the best years of my whole life. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you.